In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Energy Saver on Brave browser. If you want your laptop battery to last longer, or simply want Brave to use fewer system resources, this setting is a quick win. Energy Saver reduces non-essential activity and visual effects so the browser consumes less power, especially helpful when you're on the go. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're on your desktop or laptop, since we'll be using the desktop settings interface. Once Brave is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-line icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab dedicated to all of Brave's preferences. You'll notice a sidebar on the left and a content area on the right. Settings is where Brave groups all the controls that change how the browser behaves, and that's where the Energy Saver lives. In the left sidebar, click on System. The System page focuses on performance and hardware-related behavior, like how the browser uses your device's resources. It's the right place to tune things for better battery life without digging into advanced features. Now, in the main System page, scroll down until you find the Power section. This section gathers options that directly influence power consumption and performance trade-offs. Keep scrolling slowly so you don't miss it. It's usually below other performance-related options. Within the Power section, look for Energy Saver. To turn it on, click the toggle switch next to it. When the toggle moves to the right and changes color, Energy Saver is enabled. From now on, Brave will trim back certain background activities and reduce some visual intensity to help conserve power. That means you may notice slightly fewer animations or a gentler approach to tasks that don't need to run at full speed, which is entirely normal and intentional. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, go to the three-line menu, select Settings, click System, scroll to the Power section, and flip on Energy Saver. If you ever want full performance again, you can return to the same place and switch it off just as easily. Keep in mind that Energy Saver is designed to be a balanced approach. It aims to save power without disrupting your browsing. It's a smart setting to leave on for day-to-day use, especially if you rely on battery power frequently. Thanks for watching. With Energy Saver now enabled, you should see improved battery life and a smoother experience when you need efficiency most.